We're at our favorite firework location. Flashbang fireworks. Are you ready for this? You ready? Flashbang fireworks. Oh, and they got Toys R Us buggies.
Mom.
I don't know which ones we're gonna get. Candles and stuff, baby. Do you want to get like?
The air. You like the ones that go up in the air. And it's got some sparks.
Yes, I see that.
Yeah, I seen it outside.
You cannot get over it. What's the difference in them, baby? There's
Well, they got this one's 150. This one's 110. This one has a couple of more bigger these things.
to see you. Such a beautiful place.